Hey everyone, I'm Larry from Hagerty. I am here to show you probably the easiest DIY of our entire series, but I think it'll be a useful one. It's something that I've used to get more enjoyment out of my cars. So behind me is a 1994 Mustang Cobra. I bought it last fall, but now here we are, it's the next April. I want to go down to Charlotte from Michigan, and there's a big Mustang meet down there I'd like to join. But I'm feeling myself like kind of apprehensive about it because this time of the year in spring, there's still a lot of grit and stuff on the road that tends to get kicked up, and I'm thinking, oh, do I want to risk chipping my paint? So I'm going to show you this product that I'm using to put on the front of the car, which I think will protect the paint. It's called TracWrap. It comes in a variety of sizes. Essentially what it is, it's an 8mm thick, clear plastic, maybe tape's too strong of a word. It sticks on temporarily onto the car. It's something you can take off, and it comes in a lot of different sizes. This is a 40-foot by, I think this is 20 inches wide. This is about 200 bucks. And then over here, we've got a 6-inch wide strip, another 40-foot. This is like $60. It even comes in little kind of bite-sized things like this. You can really put it on any surface that you'd like, that you want to protect. You want to clean this first before you do anything. And after we do a couple of these, we'll go back and do a very vulnerable area if you're going to go to a drag strip or a racetrack or something like that. So let's see, I'm going to take a section here. Let me measure it. Let's see, between those slats, let's say here it's 32 inches, so we'll go 31. Definitely not rocket science, but certainly useful. And just peel off the backing. And then each kit comes with one of these really handy squeegees. Use the felt end. Now you've probably seen clear bras, the stuff that is meant to stay on the car for years. This is basically a temporary version of that. So what I do is I kind of lay it down just to get the placement right. If anyone has done vinyl decals before, like race decals, it's always a struggle to get a good no air bubbles stiction, right? Now there are different ways to do it. I've seen people put just a little solution of water and a little bit of light alcohol, or like a Windex. That's all something you could do. But of course this is temporary, so you don't have to go too crazy, which is kind of what I like about it, because then I know everybody says, well, it's just a car. Go ahead, have fun with it. And I'm like, yeah, I know. It's still our baby, so we love these things. Now, perfect? No. Acceptable? Yeah, not bad. I mean, by tomorrow when you come out, a lot of this, what you see with this sort of haze will be gone. This is what I did yesterday. And so now we'll put one more to kind of curve it around. You definitely don't want to be tired when you're doing this, because there have been times it tries your patience. It's hard to get it around curves. This will let me enjoy the drive without freaking out about every truck I go by, spitting up pebbles. Now, am I going to be perfectly protected? No, but I think it's a lot better than duct tape, which is maybe a couple millimeters thick, and this is 8 millimeters thick. You can just feel it. It's just a lot tougher. I'll finish this up later. I'd like to show you a very vulnerable section on the rear of the car that I think is going to be more important for most people. Here we're back at the rear fender. This is behind the rear tire. So especially with the Mustang, right? At some point, I'm going to go to a drag strip. I want to see what it's going to do. Who doesn't? So that's part of the fun of this car. But of course, you go there and you're spinning the tires. This whole rear area is just going to take a beating of rubber and pebbles and all that stuff. So I'm going to put some of this clear tape on that, see how it performs. First thing, of course, you want to do is you just want to clean off all the junk. Okay, so now we've got sort of all the grit and dust off of it. And we'll just kind of roughly measure, because it doesn't have to be too precise. I'm going to tuck it in, let's say 20 inches. Trick is to sort of pick a starting spot and then use the squeegee. But of course, a lot of folks just use credit cards, but use this thing to squeeze out the air bubbles as you go. So now I'm just going to layer this up a little bit, just not a whole ton, but that went fairly easy. If I really wanted to be crazy about it, I could probably get a heat gun and get those gone, but I'm not that upset the way this has come out. So protected, I could go from here. What did that take me, 5 or 10 minutes? And then I could go to the drag strip, go to a track day, whatever I wanted, have all kinds of fun I wanted, not be worried that I was going to totally damage the paint here like a sandblaster. All right, theoretically, you got back, you're done with your track day, you're off the drag strip, whatever. The film has done its job, and now you just want to get it back to its normal self, and you can just peel this stuff off. You know, you don't want to be reckless and just rip it off. You know, be careful. But it comes off a lot easier than a lot of tapes. And by the way, don't ever use duct tape on your car, because getting that adhesive off can be a real nightmare and it can damage the paint. There you go, and that's it. Right underneath is perfectly good. So again, this is stupid simple, but I think it's useful. I hope you get out and drive your car. You know, at Hagerty we have the Drivers Club. It gets you the magazine, it gets you discounts, it gets you roadside assistant, and we're all about the love of driving. So hopefully this will help you enjoy driving as much as we do. Thanks for listening.